my name is Donald and I am currently pursuing a doctoral degree in biomedical engineering at the University of Malta. With the ever-increasing population age, people are living longer. However, this brings about a problem. The human structure itself cannot sustain itself for such a prolonged period, especially the hip joint. These may require their natural hip joint to be replaced with artificial components in order to prolong their quality of life. In my study, we are currently analyzing and evaluating how the hip performs when it is implanted inside the patient. We are also currently developing a new hip implant which is able to resist wear inside the patient. And for this, we have developed testing equipment which is able to simulate the same in vivo conditions which are found inside the human body. The University of Malta, together with MCL, have teamed up in order to develop this project, currently being funded by the Malta Council of Science and Technology. Such funding will enable us to develop this concept into a tangible product which will be later on commercialized. The University of Malta has been attracting a lot of funding, and this facilitates the development of such projects. The university is well equipped with the necessary machinery and instrumentation which are critical for the research. So if you're interested in pursuing your doctoral degree in engineering, I would encourage you to join the University of Malta.